Hi, today I will teach you how to make an Instagram template in Adobe Illustrator. So make the size 1080 by 1080. So first we need to make a background for our template. Select rectangle tool, click and make it 1080 by 1080 to fit the size of the artboard. Then go to alignment, select align to artboard and align it horizontal and vertical. Tool, ellipse tool, disable stroke, draw a circle with the size 7 pixels or as you wish. Now select it, select the circle, go to edit, copy, edit and paste in place and move it to the right. Go to object, go to edit, copy and paste, move them right, select all and go to objects, group, edit, copy and paste in place, move it down, select all, right click and group. Now go to edit, copy and paste in place, move it to the right, and create another copy, move it down. Now select rectangle tool and draw a shape. Change the color. Select the type text to make a text. Choose the font that you want. And resize the text. Go to edit, copy and paste, move it down, rename it as subtitle, change the spacing mode to 100. Okay. Now select the text, go to edit, copy and paste in place, move it down and rename it. Then give it a size of 50. Select rectangle tool and draw a shape. Change the font and the size and write a random description. Resize it to 25. Now select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. And click selection tool and make the shape rounded. Write a text. Let's make it learn. Change the font and the size to 25. Go to alignment panel, select align to selection and align it horizontal and vertical. Now we need to change the color. Make the color FFT 200. It's an orange color. Change also the color of the other shapes. Using the eyedropper tool. Change also the text color. Change the color of the circle group's color. Change the text color. Let's make Instagram template text orange color. Okay. Now we need to place a picture just as an example. You can place any picture you want. Let's also make a place for the logo. So go select an ellipse, disable the fill and enable the stroke, make it white, size 3, and select type tool and make text a logo, or just you can paste your picture logo. Go to alignment, select align to selection, select align to selection, align vertical and align horizontal. If you like this video, hit subscribe and like and leave us your feedback in comments. Thank you for watching.